Welcome back to Heartway Farms, you guys. Today I want to show you my very favorite all-purpose homemade cleaner that I use for everything. So let's get started. This is my favorite cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, favorite cleaner of all time, okay? And I want to share it with you guys. It's such a simple recipe, a super affordable recipe, but it really is the best. And from my experience, from all the different homemade cleaners that I have used over the years, or even store-bought ones, which are super expensive, I like this one the best. Now, if you haven't had a chance yet, I talk about a lot of these different items and why I'm stocking up on them. If you haven't had a chance yet, go back and watch our last stocking up video. I can link that right here. And Julianne and I, in that video, we talk about these different products that we're stocking up on, as well as many other toiletries and cleaning supplies and different things that we're adding to our pile down in the basement right now. So go check that out. But today, I want to just share this recipe with you. It's great. It's non-toxic. It doesn't have any harsh perfumes or fragrances in it, and it really is the best. Okay, so let's get started. It's so easy. You're gonna be like, why are we even doing a video on this? It's so easy. But you're going to start with a quart of water, okay? So I have that here in my Pyrex dish. Next, I'm gonna use my rubbing alcohol. And I have used 70%, and I've also used 90%, and it works the same, so it doesn't really matter. And your 70% is gonna be cheaper. So I need 1 quart of water, 1 cup of the alcohol. All right, pour that in. 1 tablespoon of ammonia. And to be honest, I'm measuring this for the sake of the video, but I don't measure that. I normally just pour in what I think is a tablespoon, because it really doesn't matter. And then literally 1 drop of whatever dish soap you have. You saw in my last video that Josh got me 12 of these. That's why I'm using this. But normally I use Dawn soap, or if I have 7th generation dish soap, I use that, and all of them are the same, but you just want a drip, okay? And you know how sudsy Dawn soap is, for sure. If you're using Dawn, you just want 1 drop of that dish soap in there. You can be a little bit, with the 7th generation is not as sudsy, this is not as sudsy, so it's not that big of a deal, but you don't want soapy cleaner, just a little bit in there, okay? I am going to gently stir it, because I don't want to make it sudsy. And that is it. Okay, seriously, that is it. And I have purchased some of my reusable bottles here for cleaning products. And so we're gonna go ahead and fill these up. These ones are off of Amazon, and I actually like them better than the ones I've gotten at Walmart, and even the ones I've gotten at Rural King. Maybe I can link it down below. But I like this one. They're little, so it's easier for the kids, because the kids help clean here. I'm not the only one who cleans here. I have lots of helpers. Every night of the week, we have what we call a quick clean list that we do after dinner every night. And both of our bathrooms in our house are on that list. So let's say Monday, I don't have a list in front of me, so I'm probably gonna get this wrong, kids. But let's say Monday night is William's night to go clean the bathroom. So he'll take these and go clean them. Tuesday night might be Elise, and so on, etc. All right. So I'm filling up my bottles. And you can double this, you can triple it, but I already made a batch of it recently, so I don't need it to be doubled. So there we go. That's that. And then with the extra, I just if I have a little bit extra that doesn't fit, I just pour it into a mason jar. And that way I have it ready to refill it the next time I'm out in one of my bottles. Okay, we will lid these. Everything smells smells very clean and fresh in here. There you have it. It's that easy, seriously. And like I said, I haven't deviated from this. I really like this. I use this on everything. And then the only other product I use, which I have talked about before in other videos, is baking soda to clean the inside of my toilets and scrub off any, any dirt or stains or whatever. But then I still will spray this in the toilet over the top of the baking soda to kill any germs or bacteria. So this is my go-to thing, and it's so simple. And just think, how long, the alcohol you'll have to keep in stock, but this bottle of ammonia, because you're using 1 tablespoon at a time, will last you a long, long time. So you don't even need to stock up on that too much. Some people prefer their homemade cleaners to smell not like a cleaner. I like that it smells like the alcohol because I think it smells so clean. And I like when I walk into the bathroom that it smells clean. But if you want your cleaner to smell like, not just like cleaner, but like essential oils, you can absolutely add a few drops of essential oils that you like, whether it's lavender, whatever you like, you can add that, and it works just as well, okay? So that is it. That is just so easy. Anyone can do it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to answer those questions. And yeah, let's go clean something. You can tell we haven't done our quick cleans. Okay, not so much. He's thorough.